much of a down.
Oh.
Oh, look at that. There's like skids across the top. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Whoa.
Man,
Ah. Beautiful.
this is a good one.
Oh. Did it go? I couldn't see it. It
Now I got two right there.
went behind the tree.
See, I got one.
Are you done? One more? Oh, fish killer. There's Chad and Peppa and Blossom. And me. And Matthew. The boy with the flailing arm syndrome.
Is the jerky gone?
Yep.
Oh,
Here's a little jerky though.
Aww.
Okay, off with the camera.